Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hawk. In today's work example, we'll be solving this problem where we know that there are two similar cones with radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and we know that the larger cone has a volume of 59 centimeter cube. So we'll try to find the volume of the smaller cone. So let's start. First of all, we know that for two similar shapes, the ratio of the volume is always equal to the cube of the ratio of their sides. So in this case, let's say that the volume of the larger cube is of the larger cone is VL. The VL is equal to volume larger cone, and we will suppose Vs to be the volume of smaller cone. Similarly, we will use RL to represent radius of the larger cone, and similarly RS to represent radius of the smaller cone. So now we can form an equation in terms of these four variables, which would be our Vs over Vl, which means the ratio between the volumes of the shapes is equals to the ratio of the sides or the radii Rs over Rl, and it would be cubed because this is volume. We know that for volume, the ratio of the volumes is always the cube of the ratio of the sides. So now we will substitute the values inside. Because we know the value of VL, which is the volume of the larger cube, we know the radius of both the cones. So we'll substitute these values inside and we would get Vs over 59 equals to 3 over 5 cubed. And we can rearrange the equation to get Vs is equals to 59 into 3 by 5 cubed. We can easily use a calculator to calculate this value, and we would get Vs to be equal to 12.312. And we can add the units as well. We know it would be centimeter cube. So yeah, we found the volume of the smaller cone using the volume of the bigger cone. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I will see you guys in the next lesson.